Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set cell width and height in centimeter and inch in Excel. So normally you try to change the width and height by right clicking here, and once you click column width, so it will not work because it's pixel. So to make any size of inch and centimeter box in your Excel, firstly click on view, then click on page layout. Now you will see this interface. Now right click on any column. Now click on column width, and once you type here 4IN, so it will make 4-inch column width like this. Here you can see the preview. Similarly, right click on any column and column width and make 4 cm. Then click on OK. So it will change into centimeter. So for example, if you need 4-inch or 4 centimeter box in Excel, so firstly right click on column width and type here 4-inch IN, then click on OK, and now right click on row and row height, select 4 cm or 4 inch, then click on OK. Now click on normal view. So this way you can set cell width and height in cm and inch in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.